Are you putting off your dream life for a undefined date in the future? Like when everything is sorted and everyone else is okay, and when your ducks are in a row, then you'll start looking at what you want and moving forward. Life gets in the way. We get busy. I don't know if you've ever noticed that. Uh, and the more I talk to my clients and people in my memberships and everything, they're always talking about, I need to make time, I need to make time, I need to make time, but fill in the blank of what's going on. And I think it's about time that we started putting ourselves first. So I am going to run a workshop on Monday, the 22nd of June, about 90 minutes. We'll see how we go. And it's about stepping into your dream life. So instead of putting it off forever, let's actually spend some time thinking about what we actually want. We want, not what everyone else wants. And we're going to go through a really cool process that was designed by one of my other clients in her session. Her body came up with this process, and I went, we need to do that as a workshop. So it's quite fun. But we are going to go through a bit of an experiential thing. So this isn't going to be just writing lists and talking about it. We're going to actually do something so that we can actually start generating the energy of how we want our life to be and feeling it in our bodies and bringing that into our lives. So if that sounds like a bit of you and you don't want to put your future off for a rainy day when everything else is sorted, because come on, that day never comes. Uh, let's jump on this session. Now, this is a live, like, in experiential join in thing. You can have your cameras off, I don't mind, but please show up live if you can. If you can't make it live, because it'll be 7:30 UK time, so depending on where you are in the world, it might not work. But I will have the replay available for a week. So if you sign up, obviously, if you're inside my Dream Life membership, you'll have access to it afterwards. But for everyone else, you're going to get a week to watch it. So you can also watch it again if you've joined in, if you want to go through the process again. And I'll generate a little PDF of what we're going to go through as well. So you've got like a workbook to go through in the session and something to help you afterwards. And we're going to have a lot of fun. So if this calls to you in any way, come join me for this Stepping into Your Dream Life workshop. And it'd be great to see you there. If you don't know me, I'm Eloise. Come hang out on this channel, by the way. Subscribe if you want to hang out every week. And I will catch up with you. Hopefully, come join me on the 22nd. It'll be great. Okay, take care. Bye.